Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Honest SR. It's made by myself, basically to give you unsupported, unbiased reviews of products that you may wish. I'll try a few products and then take it from you guys, from the comments from you guys. Any requests you guys have, and I can try out those products. I will be funding these myself, so you can rest assured that there'll be no bias, unless if there's a bias of my own, and I'll be able to highlight that. I'll try to highlight that before I go into a video. Okay, so wish me luck. This is my very first video. Okay, before I start off my review for the AirPods, which is my very first product that I'll be reviewing, I would like to let you know to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to let me know about any other products that I can work on or any improvements, let me know in the comments, and please do press that subscribe button. Thank you. Alrighty, now first of all, I'm reviewing the AirPods. I have to disclose that I have a bias towards Apple. All my products are Apple. I love the company, but lately I've been changing my mind a little bit since Steve Jobs left. So as with any Apple product, they are really beautifully packed. It's always a pleasure to open it, and it's an experience in itself. So as with any Apple product, the AirPods are so neatly packed in. I really take my time. I normally use a credit card to cut the packaging like I just did. I didn't have my card handy that day. It's pretty standard packaging. It's got the booklets, and then you've got the AirPods in the wireless charging case, and inside you've got a USB lightning cable which comes with it, but no charger, so that's a bit disappointing. However, you can use your iPhone charger or Samsung or anything to just connect it via USB. They charge pretty quickly, in my opinion. Other than that, look, it's been packed really beautifully. It's got a bit of charge as well to it. It felt really nice in my hand, to be honest. It didn't feel bulky at all. Other than that, my experience using it has been a bit different. They are really convenient to connect to all of your devices, so you can seamlessly go from your iPhone to Apple Watch to Mac and so on and so forth. They're really easy to charge. As soon as you put it in, they charge, but you do have to have a habit of putting it back in the case. You can't just whereas with the wide ones, you just take them out and you just chuck them somewhere. If you're like a super relaxed person who just grabs something and uses it and chucks it away, you might lose the AirPods. However, they've got a Find My AirPods feature in there that you can find with it. I've got the 2nd gen one with Hey Siri and all that, and also the wireless charging case. To be honest, I didn't really use the wireless charging case, although I do find the wireless charging case, if you are someone who uses it a lot, I think this is a lot better to use the AirPods on a wireless charging case than an iPhone. Because the iPhone, I feel like when you need to use it, you normally with a wire charging, you can pick it up and just look at it, whereas when it's down there, you need to be in an angle looking down at it and get your Face ID reading and all that. So the wireless charging is a bit of a 50-50 for me. Like, it's quite a bit dearer for just to be wireless, and I'm more than happy to just charge it with a wire. Other than that, they've never fallen out of my ears. The only time that one of them did get out of my ears was I wasn't paying attention to it, and I was putting my shirt on and it just fell out because the shirt just caught onto it. Other than that, I've gone for a run with it, I've gone for walks with it, I've gone to the supermarket, back, this, that, rah 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 rah. Never had an issue with it falling out. They did at the start look really weird in people's ears, but over time I think it's normalized. To be honest, sound quality, because it's so small, you can't expect much. It's okay. It's not bad. You can turn it right up at the gym and it's pretty good. If you're using anti-noise cancelling and you're happy with the anti-noise cancelling headphones, obviously these aren't good for you. But like if you're just using it just to make calls, that's another feature. Like when making phone calls, these are really annoying. The anti-noise cancelling that the iPhone has on it, that goes out the window. So these, like, they get people on the other end complain about wind noise, and they can hear everything, you know, the ambient noise behind you or whatever, like somebody talking or working out, they can hear all that. So that's really annoying. So if you, like, what I found was, like, if I put them back in the case, disconnected them, and just held my phone to my ear, that was much clearer for them. Other than that, another annoying feature that I found with the AirPods were that they're quite expensive for a wireless pair of headphones. I've looked around for quite a few. I will leave it in the link. There's another one called I forgot the name now, but like I'll put it in the link, and they were like, I think around $50, and they're wireless, and for the life of me, like, they're wireless, these are wireless. The only difference is, like, it might take for that 5 seconds to turn on, whereas this is pretty much instant. But still justifying spending another nearly $250 to $300 just to get a pair of wireless headphones. I can't justify that. So I'll give the AirPods for what they are. They're very unique. Nobody else has something like this that does this with this much ease, especially with Apple products I'm talking about. When you're using it with the Samsung, it's just like a normal headphone. So when if you're an iPhone user and you've got Apple products, definitely, if you're looking for wireless headphones and you're okay with the spending, I would get this any day. But if you've got a Samsung and things like that, I'll look at Bose any day. Hands down, I'll look at Bose, and even the new Powered Beats Pro, which I'll be reviewing next. I'll look at that. Look at those, you know. But yeah, for what it is, it's pretty small and it feels pretty snug. The case is awesome as well. Like, this is what I love about it. The case is quite small. It fits neatly in your pocket. Doesn't feel heavy as well. It doesn't drag your clothing down and things like that. So yeah, let me know if I've missed anything, or if you want to know anything else about the AirPods. That's my look at it. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.